What's up guys? Welcome back to another Fortnite emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor. I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. It's what I do for a living. I'm a dancer, I'm a choreographer, so I'll break down these emotes, teach you how to do them. Today you're gonna be learning the Fortnite knee slapper emote. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those noties so you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. Special shout out to Ender Gamer 2011. He or she requested this emote, so that's why we're doing it today. If you have any requests, put them in the comment section below. I do read them, and I will do them here. Also, don't forget, next time you're in the item shop, use code DanceProfessor. Hook up the channel, support your boy. All right, you guys ready to learn this emote? Let's hit it. All right, you guys, so this is how you do the Fortnite knee slapper emote. Once again, I'm gonna face you guys. You don't have to worry about reversing anything. I flipped the video, so just copy me exactly. Right hand, right leg, left leg, you're good to go, okay? I want you to start with your left leg in front like this and your right leg behind, okay? That's just how you're gonna start. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hop onto your left leg, you're gonna lift your right knee. Boom, okay? So that's your first move on one, okay? There's a whole bunch of and counts, so if you count music, this is going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Super quick. Break it down slow. Looks like this. 7, 8. You go 1. You're gonna brush your foot ants. Okay. Then you're gonna stick it out. 2. That's up on your heels. You got your toe up and your heels on the ground. Now bring it back into it again. One more time. Shift it out. Then what you're gonna do is kick it out to the side like that, and don't fall over. Kick it out to the side, and then you're gonna go boom, just like that on 4. When you come together on 4, bring your head down, okay? Arm crosses, left arm lifts. The arms the rest of the time are kind of free, with the exception of that knee slapper part. So just have them here like this. If they move around, it's all good. I'll show you, or I'll tell you anyways, when it's super specific, okay? So do that again, 7, 8, you're gonna go like this. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now from here, you're gonna go look, bring it in, touch forward, bring it down. So the foot's going out and forward, in. Your arms are gonna go switch, switch, you're gonna look up, bring it in like that, okay? So after you do that part, so this is 4, you're gonna go 5 and 6 and 7, you're gonna go and 8 and 1. Now, if that was a little confusing, don't worry. We're gonna go over this a whole bunch of times. Repetition's your best friend, okay? So just keep doing it over and over and over again. Let's go from the top. Let's just put that together real quick, okay? 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Look up and hit. Leg kind of goes to the front, okay? Then you're gonna go to the side again. Then you're gonna lift your leg up and go boom, boom, okay? Then from here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna step out on your right leg for a little boom, like this, and do your knee slapper. Go knee and knee and. If that looks confusing, here's what you do. You step out on your right leg, jump up onto your left leg, slap your knee. Now, when this leg comes down, you're gonna shoot your left leg out. Boom, just like that. Now slap the other one, boom, bring it out, okay? Then for this little knee kick part, it's gonna go like this. You're gonna go up, out, kick, cross, in, out, flip, kick, up, slap, down. Woo! It is hard, it is complicated, but it's loads of fun. So again, just keep doing it, have fun with it. Repetition, again, is your best friend. And if you need to, pause the video, go back, rewind it, and just do it over and over again a whole bunch of times, okay? But that's basically it. Those are all the moves right there. Let me do it one more time, okay, with counts. Then we'll do it with the skin, you ready? 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. From here, do your knee slaps. Boom, hit, go up, out, kick, cross, in, out, flick, kick, knee slap, down, and just repeat from the top. Now, I'm doing a lot of hobbling there because we're going slow. But when you go to do those little knee things right there, you're just concentrating on the foot moving around. You're not doing as much hopping. But, you know, holding your balance, yeah, it's a little harder. It's actually easier when you do it slow. Let's try a little faster, okay? So go like this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and up, kick, boom, hit, in, out, flip, up, knee slap, and down. Holy moly. That's it, guys. If you need to, again, rewind the video, go back, did it a couple times slow, did it once fast. We're gonna do it with the skin, but if you need to, pause the video, go back, and just do it over and over again. Even if you only get like the first 2 moves. Just get the first 2 moves, repeat that 100 times, add the 3rd move, repeat that 100 times, add the 4th move, and just keep going like that. And eventually, you will get it. But for now, let's go ahead, let's do this with music and the skin. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, guys. That is how you do the Fortnite knee slapper emote. Bruiser the Chihuahua says hi. He's been chilling here waiting for Mama the whole time. If you guys have any emote requests, put them down in the comment section below. As always, hashtag keep dancing. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.